Assalamu alaikum guys. Let me guide you for steel reinforcement in the construction of this floor beam. I am on this construction site and this is floor beam design. Depth is 24 inches and its width is 12 inches with concrete cover. Depth 24, width 12 inches. Guys, you can see this is the long section of this beam. Guys, you can see here we have 4 steel rods at the bottom. Dia is 14 millimeter. 4 steel rods. This is tension zone. This is upper portion which is called compression zone. 3 steel rods we have. 2 cornered steel rods. Dia is 14 mm and middle dia is 12 mm. Total we have 7 steel rods. Guys, you can see this is stirrup. Dia is 10 mm with the spacing of 6 inches or 150 mm. Guys, you can see that hooks are provided alternately which are bent on 90 degree. So it should be provided on 135 degree, which is the best way for hooks. Guys, you can see that is slab steel reinforcement. You can see guys the hooks. Dia is, we have two dia. One is 12 mm, the second one is 14 mm. 6 steel rods. Dia is 14 mm, 4 at the bottom, 3 at the top. Middle dia is 12 mm. Spacing is 6 inches. Hooks are bent on 90 degrees, so it should be provided on 135 degree. Guys, you can see that is column. Size is 15 by 15 inches. We have total 8 steel rods. Dia is 16 mm. Guys, you can see this is the junction between beam and column. On the other side, you can see guys, this is cantilever slab which is also called chajja. Guys, you can see the stirrups. They used 60 grade steel. Guys, you can see shuttering is ready. Guys, you can see the extra steel rods at the distance of L by 4. 2 side bars we have. Dia is 16 mm to resist negative bending moment. For that purpose they did. That is also simply supported beam. You can say floor beam. Slab details you can see. 6 by 6 inches. Dia is 12 mm. Concrete cover blocks you can see guys, which is 1.5 inch or 40 mm. The slab reinforcement are run inside the beam. It will make a good bond between beam and slab reinforcement with concrete. Hope this short video can help you about size, steel reinforcement and basic information related this floor beam. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Goodbye.